Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Here is the gray kingbird. Let's take some time out of our busy lives to appreciate this species. This is the southern subspecies found in the Lesser Antilles. This individual was found in Dominica. It was one of the first birds I found when I got there. It's always awesome to find new species. The nominate subspecies is more wide-ranging and can be found in the southeastern United States. So hopefully I'll find the other subspecies soon. All right, see you next time on Lifers.